Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through Sass at extend directive. It lets you share a set of CSS properties from one selector to another. And for this video I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my VS based videos and find the links in the description below. Let me show you what we have in our source folder. Since it's a continuation of our Sass series, if you get stuck somewhere, kindly watch my previous videos of the series and come back here. We have here a couple of folders and files. We have index.html. Let me show you what we have inside this document. This is what we have in index.html. And then we have SCSS folder and CSS folder. Now let's turn on Sass package, open command prompt window and type in here Sass --watch, and I'm gonna give here a path of our SCSS file, which is SCSS_style.scss. Alright, and also give here a path of our CSS file, which is CSS_style.css. Hit enter and Sass is watching now. Alright, so I'm gonna add in here a couple of tags or buttons. Let's give it a class of button dash basic, and I'm also gonna give it some text, basic dash button, and let's copy it a couple of times and let's type in here report, and this would be submit. Hit save and see what we have inside this document. Now we have these three buttons. Now let's style our buttons. Hit save and open. Let me delete this file and this colors as well. Let's open style.css and type in here dot button dash basic curly braces, and let's just give it a border to none. Alright, and also I'm gonna copy it a couple of times and let's change it to the button that we have next. This is report, and also copy the submit and paste these here, and let's remove these lines from here. And let's give it a background color of red, and I'm also gonna give it some background color to be green. Hit save and see what we have now. So here we have our three buttons, and now let's style our first button, which is basic more, and this is going to be padding of 15 pixels and 30 pixels, and text aligned to the center, and font size would be 1em, and cursor would be pointer. Hit save and see what we have now. Now this is our basic button, and if you want to copy or if you want to use all of these stylings from our basic button to our report as well as our submit button, just type in here at extend and the name of the styling, which is basic button with the period, copy and paste it here, and copy this line from here and paste it here, and add semicolons, hit save, and now let's go back to our browser and see this is what we have now. So this is how you can share the styling of any of the class with any of the element. And that was all about add extend directive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.